Could this be the nicest original Harley JD in the world? I'm thinking it might be, but we're going to find out. This is the first time it's been pulled out in the sunlight in decades. It's a 1927 Harley, all original other than the tires and the battery. The rest of it is original as left the factory, 1927. See the quality of the saddle and the original stitching. Quality of the paint, all original paint. Corbin speedometer, 80 miles an hour with 784 miles. With the that was an aftermarket, it was an accessory. And the cheater said it was up to 65 miles an hour at one point. This little arm here tells you at some point it was up to 65. They put an ammeter on it, a factory fork brace. I've never seen one painted before. I have to believe it's real. I need to do some homework on it. The original toolbox and horn, the original decal on the toolbox. The fluted horn light, it says top there. I don't know if you can see that or not. So the tires have been replaced. The old ones just rotted right off. There is a wheel lock here. That's what this device is here. There's a post that goes through from the other side and locks it from being stolen. The floorboards, these are the original rubber floorboards with the original rivets in there. Original coil, original generator. Not really an air cleaner, more of I guess, a bird deflector. Battery box. The original tail light. See that? Harley-Davidson made in USA. Over to the other side, the drive unit for the speedometer, for the Corbin Speedo. Battery box. The original 1927 spark plugs. Paint job. Here's this bar here that's clipped on, goes through the wheel. The front wheel is a lock. So this has not been started in at least 70 years, and we hope that at some point we will get it all sorted out, leaving it alone cosmetically, leave it completely by the way it looks, but get it mechanically running. I think it would be a wonderful project. So this is Buzz Cantor talking about motorcycles. And if you like my YouTube channel, please press the little red button on the bottom right, and that will subscribe. It's free and easy. Thank you very much. They're still out there. Keep looking.